Hey y'all, so we talk a lot about ChatGPT4, plugins, code interpreter, all these different beta features that ChatGPT has. I'm going to show you how to get started with this because it's not always obvious how I do that, what's going on behind the scenes, but to get access to these different plugins. So I'm going to walk you through quickly, step by step, how to do that. As always, if you want great content on ChatGPT and generative AI in local government, like and subscribe. Please share this content with every of your friends who are interested in ChatGPT and generative AI for local governments. I want to start a community and do things to help empower local governments to be able to meet the needs of the residents as efficiently and effectively as possible. So I'm on an account of ChatGPT3 or ChatGPT that's only 3.5. You'll see over here this lock button. So I'm on just regular ChatGPT right now. And here's how to do that. You click that lock button, and you're going to upgrade to Plus. Hit this right here, and it's going to take you to a checkout area, and that is it. This is how you're going to get started with ChatGPT 4 instead of just 3.5. Really powerful, really great way to get started. Some phenomenal tools you can have in there. So now let's go back into ChatGPT 4 and I'm just going to show you some of the things that they have in here. I'm not going to do any prompts or anything like that. This is just going to show you what's available, what's there in the Plus model. What do you get for paying $20 a month? So let's go over here. ChatGPT 4. First, you have this code interpreter here. And if you want to see how code interpreter is used, watch this video up here on code interpreter and what we can do with code interpreter, as well as this video on code interpreter talking about the Excel and what we can do bringing Excel files into code interpreter. So very simple. You got this thing right here. You can bring documents in there and analyze them and get insights from those documents from your computer or your phone. So that's code interpreter. Back into here, we also have plugins, right? And right now I have Web Pilot enabled. We could also scroll down. So all these different plugins here, you can scroll down, go to the plugin store. And the plugin store, we have over 93 pages worth of plugins. All kinds of different stuff in here. Talking about travel stuff to things specific to coding. You name it, there's a plugin almost here for it. Still building new as we go along. So there's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What's 8 times 92 plus 1? Whatever that math equals. That's how many plugins there are right now in ChatGPT. So a lot of plugins, a lot of use that you can get out of there. Finally, we can come down here to click on the ellipses next to our name and go here to settings and beta. And here's where we have some more controls. Some beta controls. You can put in custom instructions, right? If you want ChatGPT to respond in a certain way, you can put those custom instructions of ChatGPT. Plugins, code interpreter, data controls here they have as well. So let's go to beta instructions or custom instructions to the beta features. And we're going to go here, back here, custom instructions. And as you can see here, I put in here that I'm a city manager. I'm going to change this to I'm a deputy city manager. Tailor responses towards local government professionals, especially city managers. And that's going to, whenever ChatGPT responds, it's going to remember this custom instruction. So if you're an HR professional, if you're a communications director, if you're a city manager, whatever you are, public works director, you can put that in the prompt and you have some great insights and it'll tailor the prompts specific to you. So phenomenal. If you want to get started on ChatGPT 4, go ahead and sign up today for it. If you have any questions on how to get started, what to do, some of my favorite plugins, be sure to reach out to me here on YouTube or on LinkedIn at God@GPT on both platforms. And until then, be well.